Meet Maya. She's at the grocery store with her mom, staring at two boxes of granola bars. One box is 8 bars for $4. The other is 12 bars for $6. Her mom says, "Pick the better deal, Maya." Maya freezes. They look the same. Or do they? That's exactly the kind of problem unit rates solve. And by the end of this video, you'll crack it in seconds. Let's go. Before we help Maya, let's build our foundation. A rate is a special ratio that compares two different types of quantities: miles and hours, different things; dollars and ounces, different things. Now, a unit rate takes it one step further. It finds out how much of one thing you get for exactly 1 unit of the other. 1 hour, 1 ounce, 1 mile. That little word, per, is your signal. Miles. Per hour, price, per ounce. That's a unit rate. Here's the magic move, and it's just one step. To find a unit rate, divide the top number by the bottom number. That's it. If you paid $6 for $3 items, divide 6 by 3 to get 2. So your unit rate is $2 per item. The key is always dividing so your denominator becomes 1. Think of it like shrinking everything down to a single unit so you can compare fairly. Ready to try it with Maya? Let's do it. Okay, let's help Maya. Box A, 8 granola bars for $4. Box B, 12 granola bars for $6. To compare them fairly, we find the price per bar for each. Box A, $4 divided by 8 bars. 4 divided by 8 equals 0.50, so box A costs 50 cents per bar. Box B, 6 divided by 12 bars. 6 divided by 12 equals 0.50. So box B also costs 50 cents per bar. Wait, they're the same. Maya can pick either one. Unit rates revealed the truth. You've seen unit rates your whole life, on every road trip. Miles per hour is the most famous unit rate around. If your family drives 150 miles in 3 hours, you divide 150 by 3 to get 50 miles per hour. That means for every single hour of driving, you cover 50 miles. Speed cameras, fitness trackers, airplane dashboards, they all use this exact same idea. One formula, a million uses. Now let's see Maya use it. Maya's family is driving to visit her grandma. They travel 240 miles in 4 hours. What's their speed in miles per hour? We set up our rate, 240 miles over 4 hours. Now divide the top by the bottom. 240 divided by 4 equals 60. So their speed is 60 miles per hour. That means every single hour, they cover exactly 60 miles. Check. 60 times 4 equals 240 miles. Yes, that's right. Maya just calculated her own road trip speed. Nice work. Here's where unit rates become your shopping superpower. When you're at the store, two different sizes of the same product might have different prices. To find out which is truly cheaper, calculate the price per ounce. That's your unit price. Divide the total cost by the total ounces. The one with the lower unit rate is the better deal. Fun fact, those small sticker labels on grocery store shelves actually show you the unit price already. The stores do the math so you don't have to. Let's practice. 2 bags of trail mix. Bag A is 10 ounces for $2.50. Bag B is 16 ounces for $3.68. Which is the better deal? Start with bag A. $2.50 divided by 10 ounces. 2.50 divided by 10 equals 0.25. So bag A costs 25 cents per ounce. Now bag B, 3.68 divided by 16 ounces. 3.68 divided by 16 equals 0.23. Bag B costs about 23 cents per ounce. Since 23 cents is less than 25 cents, bag B is the better deal. More trail mix for your money. Here's the really cool part. Unit rates are hiding everywhere in your daily life. Your heartbeat is measured in beats per minute. Food nutrition labels show calories per serving. In basketball, players are rated by points per game. When you take a typing test, your score is words per minute. Even your internet speed is measured in megabytes per second. Once you understand unit rates, you start seeing them everywhere. It's like unlocking a secret code that the whole world is written in. Maya's brother Marcus loves basketball. In his last 5 games, he scored a total of 85 points. What's his scoring average? His unit rate of points per game. Set up the rate. 85 points over 5 games. Now divide. 85 divided by 5 equals 17. Marcus scores 17 points per game. Now his coach wants to compare him to a teammate who scored 72 points in 6 games. That's 72 divided by 6 equals 12 points per game. Marcus wins with 17 versus 12. Maya is very proud of her brother. One more. Maya babysits on weekends to earn money for a new game. Last weekend, she babysat for 3 hours and earned $24. This weekend, she worked 5 hours and earned $35. Which weekend paid better per hour? Last weekend, $24 divided by 3 hours equals $8 per hour. This weekend, $35 divided by 5 hours equals $7 per hour. Last weekend paid better, $8 an hour versus $7 an hour. Now Maya knows to check her hourly rate before she agrees to a babysitting job. Smart thinking, Maya. You've seen it work multiple times. Now let's lock in the 3 steps forever. Step 1. Write your 2 quantities as a fraction with the amount on top and the units on the bottom. Step 2. Divide the top number by the bottom number. Step 3. Label your answer. Always say per 1 of something. $3 per pound, 60 miles per hour, 17 points per game. That label makes it a unit rate. Follow these 3 steps every time and you will never get stumped. Parents. This is a great one to quiz your kids on at the grocery store. All right, try this one yourself before we reveal the answer. Pause the video if you want. A runner completes 3 miles in 24 minutes. What is their unit rate in minutes per mile? Step 1. Write it as a fraction, 24 minutes over 3 miles. Step 2. Divide. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Step 3. Label it. 8 minutes per mile. That's their pace. Every single mile, this runner takes exactly 8 minutes. How'd you do? If you got 8 minutes per mile, give yourself a high five. You're thinking like a mathematician. Remember when Maya was totally frozen in the grocery store, not knowing which granola bar box was the better deal? Now she, and you, can solve that in seconds. Unit rate is simply dividing one quantity by another to find per 1. It works for speed, prices, scores, heartbeats, and so much more. Write the fraction, divide, label it. 3 steps, and you're done. Practice spotting